Sexual meaning. Sexual is an adjective that relates to or pertains to sex, sexuality, or sexual activity. It encompasses various aspects of human sexuality, including attraction, behavior, and reproductive functions. Here are some common usages of the term sexual. Sexual attraction. This refers to the emotional and physical attraction that one person may feel for another person based on their gender, appearance, personality, or other factors. Sexual attraction can lead to romantic or sexual interest. Sexual orientation. Sexual orientation describes a person's pattern of emotional, romantic, and sexual attraction to individuals of the same gender, a different gender, both genders, or neither gender. Common orientations include heterosexual, homosexual, bisexual, and asexual. Sexual behavior. This encompasses a wide range of activities and behaviors related to sexual activity, including but not limited to sexual intercourse, kissing, touching, and other forms of physical intimacy. Sexual health. Sexual health focuses on overall well-being related to sexual activities, which includes education about reproductive health, contraception, sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and safe sex practices. Sexual identity. This term refers to an individual's personal understanding of their own sexual orientation, gender identity, and how they choose to express their sexuality. Sexual education. Sexual education is the process of learning about human sexuality, sexual health, and relationships through formal and informal means, including educational programs and conversations. Sexual consent. Consent is a fundamental concept in sexual interactions, emphasizing that all parties involved should willingly and clearly agree to participate in any sexual activity without coercion. The term sexual is used to describe and discuss matters related to human sexuality, relationships, and sexual behavior. And it plays a significant role in the understanding of human interactions and the promotion of sexual health and well-being.